We celebrate it today which Jesus Christ was crucified. Thank you, sister, for the introduction of our Santa Rosa. Now we will proceed for our proper program. The three Marias are the Virgin Mary, Mother of Christ, Mary Magdalene, and Mary of Cleophas, Mother of James. They are often depicted in the crucifixion of Jesus Christ or at his tomb. And popular Catholic story relates that the three kings were suitors of the three Marys, whom they accompanied to global festivities. The Jewish woman of Nazareth, the wife of Joseph and the mother of Jesus. She is a central figure of Christianity, venerated under various titles such as Virgin or Queen. Many of them are mentioned in the Litany of Loretto. The Eastern and Oriental Orthodox, Church of the East, Catholic, Anglican, and Lutheran churches believe that Mary, as the mother of Jesus, is the mother of God. Other Protestant views Mary, with some holding her to have considerably lesser status. The New Testament describes Mary as a young virgin who was chosen by God to conceive Jesus through the Holy Spirit. After Jesus was a disciple of Jesus. According to the Gospel accounts, Jesus cleansed her of 7 demons, and she financially aided him in Galilee. She was one of the witnesses of the crucifixion and burial of Jesus, and famously was the first person to see him after the resurrection. Mary Magdalene, who is the first to see the risen Jesus, but it raises the question of why she does not recognize him. In the next verse, she mistakes him for the gardener. Mary, Mother of Dreams. Mary, Mother of Dreams, is identified in the Synoptic Gospels as one of the women who went to Jesus' tomb after he was buried. Mary, Mother of Dreams, as one of the mere bearers, the women who went to the tomb of Jesus. Reina Elena. Reina Elena, or Queen Elena. She represents Saint Elena herself and holds a cross or crucifix to symbolize the true cross of Jesus. Being Reina Elena means having the responsibility to be an example of a virtuous young lady, anchored with moral values and unwavering faith in God, who might serve as an inspiration to others. As we honor the Blessed Virgin Mary, may we exemplify Mary's virtue of profound humility, prudence, and obedience. The name Elena embodies the shining light that guides through the darkest of times, and with a little luck, by will too. Please take your seats now, Marys.
Matangkad si Mama mo.